Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you today how I transformed my Apple Watch into a blinged out Chanel version of the Apple Watch. So here's how it turned out. It's so gorgeous, and best of all, it cost only $17 to do this so easy at home. So just keep watching to see how I did it. So first things first, I took off my Apple Watch band, and it's really easy to take off your Apple Watch band. But first I'm going to show you the box that the blinged out watch band came in. So I did get this from Amazon, and I will have it linked below. It was, like I said, only $17, and it makes it so easy and effortless to bling out your Apple Watch. So here's everything that came in the box, and it did come really fast as well. The shipping was only maybe a few days. So in this kit that they send you, you get the Apple Watch bands, and they are diamond style rhinestones. So they're really super high quality. The metal is it feels very luxurious. It is a high performance metal, and they do have versions for Apple Series 1 through 5. This watch band also comes with the blinged out version in pink, black, gold, or rose gold, and they do give you an 18-month warranty. So they also give you the tool so you can take out some links in your watch if you want, and all of the directions. They also give you a crystal kind of bezel or like a top for the Apple Watch that I really love. They gave me 2 of them, so that was really great. So in the future, you could always, if you want, change the band and just leave the face blinged out. So there's a lot of different options, and I'll show you how I did that later on in the video. It did come with a plastic kind of coating over it, so you can just remove that protective plastic coating. So here now I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to take off the band. So on the back side of your Apple Watch, there's a little button, and you just go ahead and push your finger into your nail into the button, and then slide your Apple Watch band out. So that's all you have to do to take off your Apple Watch band. It's super easy, and then to put a new watch band on, you just follow the same steps. You just push the button again, so go ahead and push the button and then slide your new Apple Watch band into the slots. It's super easy. You can definitely use your nail. If you can't do it, you could always use a small, really small, anything little, but you can definitely do it with your finger. It's very easy. So I'm going to do the other side now. And that's it. You got your new blinged out Apple Watch band. Although, there's so many different Apple Watch bands out there. You can use any Apple Watch band, but this is the one that I'm going to show you guys today, how I blinged out my Apple Watch. And then here is the casing for the front face of your watch. And it's so easy. It just snaps right over your Apple Watch face. Just line up the circles where the knob on your Apple Watch is, like so, and then just pop it on. Super easy, and there you have your Apple Watch blinged out. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And this company did send an extra watch face, which I really like. You can always, use that in the future, or put on another watch if you have one. So now this watch here, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to take some links out of the Apple Watch band that I got. It came with, it was a link style watch. So I'm going to take some of the links out. So it can fit more snug and secure on my wrist. But that's pretty much how it looks. But if you want to keep watching, I'm going to show you how I take the links out, or actually how my husband takes the links out for me. And then I'm also going to show you how I got the Chanel wallpaper so I can transform my Apple Watch into a Chanel. So now I'm just going to see how many links that I'm going to take out of the watch band. So I'm going to go ahead and remove about 3 links, I think. Just, measure it onto your arm and see how many links you want to take out. You might not need to take any out, but I'm going to take out about 4. So you just count how many you're going to take out. You can see, in real life, you'll see easily where there they are, how many links you want to take out. So I'm going to take out about 4. And then also with this Apple Watch kit, they send you a tool so you can take the links out. So this did come in the kit. And so right here, my husband is inserting the link tool into the link that he is going to remove. He's going to remove about 4. So he's inserting it 4 links down. And he's turning and tightening the link tool. And what he's doing is actually, you're going to see the pin is going to pop out. There's the pin. So he's just removing the pin. And then he's reinserting the link tool into the link that he's going to connect it to. So as you can see here, he's just repeating the previous steps. And now he's just connecting the latch part of the watch band down lower, and then he's taking the pin and just reinserting it. So he took out the extra links, and then this is the clasp, and he's just putting it back together like a puzzle piece and then putting the pin in to keep them secure. And then you go ahead and take the tool that they send you and the tool you used earlier and just kind of hammer it in a little bit, very, very gently. It's super easy. And that's pretty much it. It's so easy. You can definitely do it at home. If you feel like you can't do it, you could always take it to a jeweler or a watch store, and they'll remove the links for you. But it's definitely super easy to do it at home. And now it fits really nice and secure on my wrist. It is able to still read my heartbeat and all that good stuff. And now here is the finished result. It's just going to put your clasp in like you always do with your watch, with your traditional watches. Just clasp it together. And this is really great. It's so easy to remove the watch band that you could definitely go back to a different watch band if you're in the mood for a different look. So that's what's really great about this too. It's super easy to remove the watch band, and you can go back to a different one if you don't want such a blinged out version of your Apple Watch. But there it is. It fits amazing. The metal is super high quality. The crystals are really, really high quality as well. It feels so good on my wrist, and I'll have it linked below. And now I just really quickly want to show you how to get the Chanel watch face, the wallpaper on your Apple Watch. So you just get the app called Watch Face at the App Store. And they have tons of different Apple Watch wallpapers and faces to choose from. So I'm going to choose the Chanel watch face. I had previously been using the Louis Vuitton watch face, but now I'm going to use the Chanel. And you just push the set button and then scroll down and click Create Watch Face. And then you just click Add. And then it will ask you to create watch face, and you just click Continue. So it does take a few minutes to sync up. So there's my old watch face that I did get from the same app, but in a few moments you'll see it transform. Yes, it does take a few minutes to sync, but there you go. It's all finished. So here is my Chanel style Apple Watch. I could not love it more. It feels so luxurious. It's very lightweight too, so it feels great on your arm. and I just truly love it. So I couldn't wait to come and share this with you. If you're interested in blinging out your Apple Watch, this is how I did it, and for only $17, you can't beat that. So I hope you enjoyed watching how I blinged out my Apple Watch. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You will also be entered into my huge monthly giveaway. So I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch.